Hello guys, Mr. Santos here. Once again, it's great to be with you. Today we're going to learn how to design a keychain using Onshape. I'll teach you the basics, but remember, there are many different ways to design the same project. I highly recommend that you search online, look at different keychain designs, and explore different ideas. This will help you develop more skills beyond what we covered today. Let's get started. First, open Onshape. Log in with your username and password. Click the Create button, then select Document. Name your document keychain and click Create. Onshape will open a new document and prepare your workspace. Remember, you can right-click and drag with your mouse to rotate the view. We're going to hide some planes to make our work easier. Move your mouse to the left side until you see the eye icon, and click it to hide the right plane and the front plane. We'll keep only the top plane visible for now. At any time, you can click the eye icons again to show the other planes. Now right-click on the top plane and select View Normal to. This gives us the best view to work on our sketch. We're going to make a keychain with a size of 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Click the Sketch button. Select the top plane. Now click the Rectangle tool and choose Center Point Rectangle. Move your mouse to the center, click once, drag, and click again. The size doesn't matter yet, we'll define it using dimensions. Click the Dimension tool. Click one edge of the rectangle, move your mouse slightly and type 2.5 inches. Now click the other side, move your mouse and type 1.5 inches. Remember, you can zoom in and out using the mouse wheel, and you can pan left or right by holding Control and right-clicking. Now that our rectangle is ready, let's extrude it. Click the Extrude button, set the extrusion depth to 0.2 inches, and confirm. You now have your first 3D object. Right-click and use View Normal. If needed, remember, you can always double-click a sketch or feature to edit it, and any changes will automatically update the 3D model. Let's name our sketch. Move your mouse to the left panel, double-click the sketch, and name it Rectangle. Naming your sketches and features is very important, especially for bigger projects. Now let's create the hole for the keyring. Click Sketch, select the face of the rectangle, and choose the Center Point Circle tool. Click where you want the hole to be. Use the Dimension tool to set the circle size. Let's start with 0.2 inches. You can always double-click later and change this size if needed. Click Extrude and this time select Remove Material. This will cut the hole where the metal keyring will go. Now let's name this sketch Hole. This will make it much easier to find and edit later. Next, we'll add text to our keychain. Create a new sketch on the surface. Click the Text tool. Click where you want the text and type something like, I love. Adjust the text height if needed, for example 0.4 inches, but feel free to choose a size that looks good to you. Now, use the Text tool again and type MCS below it. You can move the text left, right, up, or down by clicking and dragging. Once the text looks good, let's extrude it. Click Extrude. Set the extrusion to 0.15 inches. This creates a raised text effect. If you prefer engraved text instead, double-click the extrusion, select Remove Material, and flip the direction. This will cut the text into the keychain instead of raising it. Finally, remember to name your features. Double-click, rename them clearly, and confirm. And that's it. You now have a simple, clean keychain design. At any time, you can go back and change the text, size, position, or dimensions to match your goal. Thank you very much, and see you next time. God bless you.